Well, in Chhattisgarh, nearly 45% polling has been reported till noon in the first phase of the Chhattisgarh Assembly polls. Largely peaceful voting is underway in 18 constituencies, including the Naxal-affected Bastar and Rajnandgaon district. The State Assembly has 90 seats. 143 candidates are contesting from 12 constituencies in Bastar division and 6 constituencies from Rajnandgaon district. A total of 4,142 polling booths have been set up for the first phase, of which 1,517 have been declared as sensitive, while 1,311 have been declared as hypersensitive stations. Election Commission has made elaborate arrangements for free and fair elections.
So far, though, it's been a story of success for democracy, apart from that one shootout that we reported earlier. Up to 40% turnout was reported in parts of Bastar district in Chhattisgarh. As much as 45% voting was reported in Rajnandgaon in just the first 5 hours of polling. As you know, security is a major worry in this area. There have been Maoist attacks over the past few days, particularly one shootout in Kanke region. Another shootout was reported in the Kothri River area. We know that in this latest shootout in Dantewada, at least one CRPF Jawan has died.
मिला जुला के सब जो हैं 15 से 20 तक हैं। कई जगह छोटी हैं, जैसे दंतेवाड़ा से 8 हैं, बाकी नारायणपुर से 5 हैं और कांकेर से 2-3 हैं। तो ये काफ़ी संख्या में आईडी बरामद हुई है।
Has there been any violence in Bastar?
No, not in my district. I mean, area domination patrols which were going for operations, they have met with Naxalites and exchange of fire has taken place in last 2 days. But today everything is peaceful till now.
Chief Minister Raman Singh, who's seeking a third term, is also counting on. He cast his vote from his Rajnandgaon, and look at what he said.
अभी हमने रिपोर्ट ली है पूरे बस्तर का और पूरे क्षेत्रों का। सभी जगह 18 स्थानों से मैंने संपर्क किया। सुबह से ही काम में लगा हूं। बहुत अच्छी बात है, इतनी बड़ी मामला और इतने भय और आतंक के बाद भी 7 बजे से चल के 11:30 बजे तक 4.5 घंटा तक कोई बहुत बड़ी ऐसी घटना नहीं हुई है, कोई ब्लास्ट नहीं हुआ है। छूटपुट 1-2 घटनाएं हुई हैं जिसके बारे में जानकारी मिली। राजनांदगांव की जनता विकास चाहती है और विकास के लिए वोट डालेंगे। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मैं कल रात से मैं घूम रहा हूं, रात को 12-1 बजे तक मैं ग्रामीण बूथ में घूमता रहा। बहुत जबरदस्त उत्साह है, यानी पिछले चुनाव से बेहतर स्थिति में मतदान होगा और वोटों का परसेंटेज बढ़ेगा।